At first glance, this 67 Ford F-100 looks like a lost cause, but before I start tearing it apart, I want to find out what's actually under all this dirt and grime. Today we're giving the Misfire the deepest clean it's had in years. Stick around till the end to see how she turned out.
Let me show you how dirty she actually is.
It don't get much better. Once that door opens, whew, tint coming off. We got a box of something. A new starter. Let's hope I don't need to use that. What else we rocking? Some Crown Royale. I think this is tequila or whiskey or something. Look at that carpet. I was probably conceived on carpet that looked just like that. Oh, rocking the gun racks though. Headliner, it's not too bad. Okay, it's bad. Gross.
The rust gets a little bad when you start peeling up. A lot more to get out, but I guess it's just gonna peel itself out from age. Hey, check that out. 10 cents. Already making my money back. Something about these Fords, this cutout right here, I'm just gonna cut directly into this. As far as everything I've looked up, the C6 will just go right in this without any trouble. We won't have to alter any of this. Got a little Chemical Guys leather cleaner. Supposedly this dude put brand new leather in this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it off. I have no plans to redo this at all. We got rustage right here. Inner fender well. Both fenders are about the same. Hey, look, spare tire. Went and bought some Chemical Guys Honeydew, and I got me a foam cannon. Good enough. Let me go ahead and mix this puppy. She's definitely getting foamy. Thinking about doing 2 rounds of this and pressure washing in between. After that, I'll get these rims off. Not too bad, we can start at the back. We got water? Yep.
At this point, the pressure washer decided to just explode and not work anymore, so now I've got to hand wash this thing, so enjoy watching that.
Oh baby, how I feel. You take a little trip with me, I show you how to live. I like my trucks up high and my cars down low.
Okay, now that she's all washed and clean, I can go ahead and start getting these wheels kind of prepped for paint. Here we go. Oh yeah. So much better. Color I went with, gloss, kind of a matte gray. Well, I'd say today was a bit of a success. Not too bad, it cleaned up nicely. I kind of want to show off a little after painted to perfection. It makes it look a little better, makes it look a little more farm truckish, nothing crazy. Nothing so good. They're okay. Overspray's a little bad. I'm gonna have to wait till it fully dries and then scrape that stuff off. Whatever. Who cares? Truck is all nice and clean and pretty and ready for the next thing. Well, that's a pretty good day cleaning. I'm pretty tired. That kicked my butt. Inside, gross. Rims, ghetto painted. You know, I think it's coming together nicely. Next on this thing, I want to get the brakes done for sure. I want to get automatic transmission, engine and transmission are coming out, and floor shifter for 100%, and then getting this thing running and driving, and I'll spruce the inside up. I've got carpet ordered, I've got brake parts ordered. It's coming very soon. Once again, thanks for watching All About Cars. My name's Mason. I'll see you next time.